Dr. Nardi here, back with another video. And in this video, we're going to be doing an independent sample t-test. Now, the thing we have to do is open up our data set for this chapter. And we got to go to tests, and then we look for independent sample t-test since we have independent groups in this example. So go ahead and click on that at the top, and you'll get this beautiful new window that opens up. And what we're going to do is take memory tests, and that's our dependent variable. Remember, your dependent variable is the variable you're measuring. And then we're going to take group, and we're going to move it over to the grouping variable. All right, so what you're going to notice is you might have an issue moving group over. So let's go ahead and go over to our data view here. And this is where all our data is listed. And we can go to the top, go to variable view. And if we double click on group, a new window will open up here. And you want to make sure that we pick it's a nominal variable, because it's categorical, because it's group 1 and 2. We could even give the group names if we wanted to. We could do that right now. We can go ahead and call it group 1, and we can call this group 2. Very original names, by the way, very original names. And once you do that, now your groups are named. Go ahead and let's go back to our analysis. And we were doing t-test here, and if you notice, I open up multiple t-tests, which is kind of annoying. So if you just click on one of them, you can hit remove, so we can make those go away in case you make the mistake that I'm making. So let's make this one go away too. Let's see if we can get this one to go away. Remove. Okay, so we have no t-tests here. So let's go back to t-test, independent sample. Let's take memory test, move it over to our dependent variable, and then group, move it over here. All these buttons are clicked that we want. We might want the effect size. That'll give us an idea of how meaningful our results are. We might not need it though. We can get some descriptives if we'd like down here, so we have an idea of what's in our group. And these other things, we don't have to worry about these right now, but in the future, in future videos, we will talk more about these. So let's go ahead and take a look at our chart right here. So we have our t statistic, our t value, which is negative 0.137. Our degrees of freedom is 58. Our p-value is 0.891. Now the question you have to ask yourself, is this less than 0.05? And it is not, so it is not statistically significant. And as you can see here, it's a very, very, very small effect size, which we will talk more about in another chapter. And you can also look down here, we have some descriptives. We have our means. So you have 30 people in group 1, 30 people in group 2. Then we have our means for each group, 5.43, 5.53. You can see these means are very, very close together. This could be why we didn't get a statistically significant result. We have our median, we have our standard deviation. So please message me with any questions, comments, or concerns. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care.